Check out the stunning new 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Inspired by iconic British design, its bold, blocky styling commands attention on the road. Feel the power of the 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive 277 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque. Or opt for the turbocharged 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain, offering a combined 232 GP and 271 lb-ft. Step inside to discover a spacious interior, offering enhanced comfort for passengers and ample cargo capacity. The Santa Fe has undergone a major transformation, shedding its conservative image for a strikingly angular silhouette. Reminiscent of the Land Rover Defender, its rugged new look reflects the latest outdoor lifestyle trends. But it's not just about looks. The Santa Fe is ready to tackle any terrain. Introducing the XRT model, a rugged off-road variant that elevates adventure to new heights. With 30-inch all-terrain tires and 1.5 inches of extra ground clearance, the XRT is built for exploration. From its head-turning exterior to its cutting-edge technology, the new Santa Fe is sure to make waves in its class. Don't miss your chance to experience the perfect blend of style and substance. Beneath the hood lies a realm of familiar yet enhanced power. Hyundai Santa Fe now boasts two streamlined powertrain options, with a tantalizing hint of a potential plug-in hybrid on the horizon. Bid adieu to the old standard four-cylinder, as the turbocharged 2.5-liter unit makes a triumphant return, delivering a spirited 277 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. But wait, there's more excitement with a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine hybrid combo, packing a punch of 232 horsepower and 271 lb-ft of torque, coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Front and all-wheel drive configurations are back in the mix for adventurous souls. While the ground clearance remains at a robust 8.2 inches, Hyundai has fine-tuned the suspension with updated dampers and hydro bushings, crafting a more rigid chassis for heightened stability. And fear not the dusty trails, for an enhanced air filtration system stands guard, ensuring your cabin remains an oasis of cleanliness amidst the wilderness. Experience the 2024 Santa Fe's enhanced ride and heightened visibility firsthand. Say goodbye to the soft ride of yesteryears as the new model boasts remarkable control and agility, even at moderate speeds. Plus, with upgraded wheel options, you can customize your driving experience to perfection. Enjoy clearer vistas from every angle with the Santa Fe's improved visibility. Thanks to its bold, boxy design, you'll have an unobstructed view of the road ahead. Coupled with a low dash and tall side glass, blind spots become a thing of the past. Step inside to discover a serene cabin environment where both engines purr with refined isolation. Whether you're cruising solo or with a full load of passengers, the Santa Fe offers ample comfort across its spacious first two rows. And while the third row seats are a welcome addition, they're best suited for the little ones in your life. Get ready to be wowed by the Santa Fe's incredible makeover. While the sleek new exterior is making waves, it's the interior that's truly stealing the spotlight. Despite being a tad longer, the Santa Fe remains delightfully compact compared to its sibling, the Palisade. But here's the magic. Thanks to smart design and a fresh, boxy silhouette, it boasts just as much length inside, with even more room to stretch out. Bid farewell to cramped quarters. The revamped third row now welcomes adults with open arms, a game changer from the previous model. And with options for either captain's chairs or a bench in the second row, accommodating 6 or 7 passengers has never been more comfortable. Picture this: reclining in the relaxation seat, reminiscent of first-class travel, complete with a leg rest for impromptu snoozes on the road. Plus, a cleverly designed center console ensures everyone can reach their snacks without a fuss. But the real showstopper: the Santa Fe's rear cargo area is a dream come true. With taillights positioned low for maximum impact, the hatch opens wide, revealing a cavernous space that's grown significantly from its predecessor. Load up with ease, thanks to a flat folding second row, perfect for everything from gear to a cozy inflatable bed for your next adventure. While exact measurements are still under wraps, expect ample cargo room, a whopping increase that promises endless possibilities. Get ready to pack up and hit the road in style with the all-new Santa Fe. Discover the enhanced in-cabin technology of the redesigned Santa Fe, marking a significant advancement. At the forefront are dual 12.3-inch screens, reminiscent of those in other Hyundai models, now boasting wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration, a game-changer. Gone are the cords, as these upgraded screens embrace seamless wireless connectivity. Embracing the wireless lifestyle further, dual 15-watt charging pads with built-in cooling fans ensure your devices stay charged and cool on the go. Enhancing your driving experience, a digital rearview mirror ensures clear visibility, even when your cargo area is packed. Plus, say goodbye to clutter with a secondary glove box equipped with a UV sanitizer, perfect for disinfecting your essentials on the move. Upgrade your driving experience with the Santa Fe's cutting-edge technology suite. Exciting news awaits regarding the 2024 Santa Fe's fuel efficiency ratings. While the EPA hasn't unveiled the official figures yet, with the tried-and-true engines and transmissions from its predecessor, anticipation builds. We foresee the hybrid model boasting an impressive 32 mpg, 33 city, 30 highway, while the 2.5-liter turbocharged option, particularly with all-wheel drive, is poised to offer a satisfying 24 mpg, 21 city, 28 highway. Get ready to hit the road with confidence. The Santa Fe is stepping up its game to rival the Palisade like never before. Packed with enhanced technology, spacious interiors, and a smoother ride, Hyundai's latest offering promises to dominate the mid-size SUV scene. Plus, with the rugged XRT edition for off-road adventures, Hyundai is poised to reign supreme in this segment for years to come. But such innovation comes at a premium. The starting price for the entry-level SE now sits at $35,345, reflecting a $5,000 increase from its predecessor. However, this investment unlocks a world of possibilities, with the top-tier Calligraphy hybrid boasting all-wheel drive and starting at $50,195. Under the hood, the 2024 Santa Fe offers two compelling options. The 2.5-liter engine roars to life with 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox for exhilarating performance. Alternatively, opt for the eco-friendly 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid, delivering 231 horsepower and a seamless driving experience with its 6-speed automatic transmission. Notably, Hyundai has ensured that upgrading to the hybrid model won't break the bank, with the SEL Hybrid priced at just $800 more than its predecessor, starting at $38,345 for the front-wheel drive variant. Size matters, and the 2024 Santa Fe doesn't disappoint. Embracing its growth spurt, this crossover expands in all directions, providing ample legroom and comfortably seating up to 7 passengers. Its bold, upright design commands attention, showcasing a longer, taller, and wider profile that exudes confidence on the road. Excitement awaits as the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe with the 2.5-liter engine hits dealerships now, with the hybrid variant set to make its debut on showroom floors this spring. Get ready to embark on a journey of style, innovation, and unparalleled comfort. The all-new Santa Fe awaits.